Hey there. We're Team Work Together. Our project was built to streamline the group project experience for college students. I'm Max. I worked primarily on the back-end and back-end architecture for Work Together.
I'm Alex. I also worked on the back end and did some work on the front end features as well.
Hi, my name's Grayson. I worked on the front end for the chat features as well as the tasks and group home system.
Hi everyone, my name is Rory. I work primarily on the front end in addition to some back-end changes to our API.
So, with Work Together, we aim to fix group projects. Group projects are really envisioned to be a collaborative learning experience that produces a lot of great advantages for students. However, in reality, most students often end up hating group projects and dreading them throughout their whole college experience. So we've narrowed the causes for that down to three main areas. First, students aren't generally matched with teammates who they work well with. Secondly, there's a lack of project management tools for these teams, so there's a real lack of accountability. And third, professors are kind of kept in the dark on what's going on with these teams. By targeting these three areas of concerns, using our team building features, our project management features, and our professor dashboard, we aim to make group projects into what they're always meant to be. So, without further ado, we'll go into the demo.
Users will be able to create a profile. They'll be able to put a bio and interests, and this will apply to all classes. And this is to allow students to get to know each other before they start working on a team.
So, as you can see, we have some active projects in this class. Our current user needs to find a group for the project time travel. So we can click into that project and we'll be presented with a questionnaire we must fill out with relevant meeting times, expected project quality, number of hours per week, etc. Once this is filled out, Work Together will create an advertisement card for the user for the rest of the class to see. Now that we are on the group search page, we can see our current user's advertisement card, in addition to all the users in the class that have filled out a questionnaire. If we wanted to filter for specific users with relevant skills or project quality, we can accomplish that through the filter at the top of the page. Additionally, we can go into the card swipe view to quickly sift through teammates' card advertisements. So let's return to the group search page and invite John Coder to our team. On John Coder's account, we can see the invite from our user and we can accept the invite to be added into his team.
Once users have joined a team, they'll be able to work together with our team management features. Users will be able to create tasks for milestones and assign team members to the task. Users will be able to see their tasks as well as the tasks of the other students. This allows all members of the team to be aware of what remains in the project. When the task is completed, a user can mark it complete so that the rest of the team is up to date with their progress. Teachers will also be able to see the task progress so that they remain up to date with the progress of their class. Users will be able to chat with other members of their team as well as their core staff. This allows the communication of the project to be encapsulated in one place.
This is our professor dashboard. From here, professors will be given a general overview of how their project is progressing. So up here at the top, we can see that they have an overview of the milestones for the class. They can see the percentage of groups that have completed each milestone, as well as the due date for the upcoming milestone. There's additionally an alert section where professors can see important issues that are going on in the project, such as students who haven't completed any tasks or groups with overdue milestones. There will also be a project info section that kind of gives the professors an overview of general information about the project, such as how many groups there are and when the final deadline is. And then at the bottom, there's a statistics section that will show cool statistics that are informative and helpful to the professors to help them understand how the class is doing on average and where maybe some pain points might be. Additionally, there's a project management section where professors will be able to move students around as needed and also grab the class codes to invite students to the project.
So for this app, we used a Flutter front end. This made it so that we could easily compile the app for web as well as mobile, and in addition it had some useful built-in libraries that we used to accomplish some of our features on the front end. To log in, we used C#'s authentication library and sent the authentication tokens via JWT tokens. We also used an SMTP server to send some email notifications for verifying emails as well as alerting users of notifications. And then on the back end, we used C# with a MySQL database. Overall, this helped us to be able to get everything really neatly packaged up and in a way that's working simply and cleanly together. We wrote a pretty large amount of code. In total, it was about 10,000 lines of code between the front end and back end. And we have a large number of API endpoints for the front end to utilize to get data in and out of our back end.
So in conclusion, Work Together provides students and professors with powerful team building and project management tools. It's our hope that by providing these tools, we can improve group projects for college students and make them into one of the more enjoyable parts of their education. Thanks for watching.